Good afternoon everyone, and in today's guide we are going to install MikoPBX using the Vultr cloud platform. Before we start, I should say that this guide applies to MikoPBX version 2024.2.138 and later. That is mean this installation method will be available from the first release in 2025. Okay, before we start, you should go to MikoPBX releases GitHub and here download the disk image file with an extension .iso. After that we are ready to start, and now we are on the main page of Vultr. Firstly, I suggest you to create an object storage and upload our image. For that, you should go to Cloud Storage Object Storage, and here click Add Object Storage. Here you should choose the base one because we need it only for storing our image. Then you should choose the location. I will choose Singapore because it is the closest one to me. Alright, and then you should type some label, for example, MikoPBX storage image, and then click Add Object Storage. After that we should wait for a few seconds and click View Object Storage. Yeah, we should wait until status will be ready or something like that. Alright, our object storage is ready to use. We can understand that by this ready indicator. And now let's go to the Manage Object Storage section. And here we can find S3 credentials. Before we will upload an image, we should create a new bucket. For example, MikoPBX image. And click Create Bucket. Then we should return to the main page of our object storage and return to this S3 credentials. Then you should go to WinSCP, for example, and here click New tab. Here choose New Site. After that, in the File Protocol menu, choose Amazon S3, encryption TLS SSL. And after that you should copy credentials from the Vultr website. First, let's copy hostname. Port number is default one, 443. Access key, copy this one too, and secret key, copy. Then you should click login. And yeah, here we can see our bucket, and now we should upload our file to the bucket. And yeah, again we should wait for a few minutes. Alright, as we can see, our file was successfully uploaded. We can check that here in the buckets section. Just open the bucket, and yeah, here we can see our ISO image. What should we do next is click 3 points here, then click Change Access and enable access to this file, and then copy the link. After that we should go to Orchestration section and go to ISOs. Here click Add ISO and paste the link, and after that click Upload, and again wait for a few seconds or minutes until our ISO will be added. Our ISO is available, and that is mean we're ready for the last step of our preparation process, which is generating a pair of SSH keys and adding them into Vultr cloud platform. For that, you should click on your name, then go to SSH keys section, and here click Add SSH key. Here you can type the name, for example, MikoPBX key pair for me, and after that we should generate our key. In this guide I will use PowerShell, but yeah, you can use whatever you want. I will generate the key with type id 25519. Let's do that. I will use standard directory and override without passphrase. And after that I will get my key using getContent command. And yeah, just copy the key. After that I will paste it here and click Add SSH key. Our key was successfully added, and that is mean we are ready for creating a virtual machine inside. Now let's create our virtual machine inside Vultr cloud platform. For that we should go to the product section and then to the default compute section, and here click deploy server. Firstly, you should choose your configuration and also your region. I will use Singapore one, and also I will use the base configuration, the basest one, because it is test machine, and also I will disable automatic backups, but you can choose all parameters for yourself. That is mean if you need more power or more storage, I mean memory, you can use maybe the better technical configuration. But for me I will use this one, and then click configure. Here go to ISO IPXE section and choose your ISO which we uploaded before. Then go to the server settings section, and here choose our SSH key pair which we uploaded before too. And after that click deploy, and after this process we should stop our server immediately. Stop servers, and create the second disk which we will use for storage for our calls records. For creation a second disk we should go to the block storage section, and here click add block storage. I will use HDD, but yeah, you can use maybe better one if speed for you is important. Then we should choose the location. It should be the same like your virtual machine. Like for your virtual machine I will choose Singapore as I did before, and here you can choose amount of gigabytes for your storage. The recommended amount is more than 50 gigabytes for MikoPBX, but for the test machine I will use just 40. I think that would be enough for me. And then we should type some label, for example MikoPBX storage disk, and after that click add block storage. We should wait for a few seconds until it would be ready, and after that we will attach it to our virtual machine. For that go to manage section, and here choose our instance. Click attach volume, and return to the compute section. Our server is already running. Now we should go to its console. For that, click this element, which is view console, and wait until our system will be started. As we can see, our system was successfully loaded in recovery mode, and that is mean we should install it. For that, go to the section with the number 8, which is install, click enter. In this menu, firstly we should choose the disk as a system one. I will choose a disk VDA. After that we should confirm our choice. Wait for a few seconds until our system will be mounted on this disk. And then we should choose the disk for storing recordings. For me that would be VDB. I confirm this choice, and after that we should wait for a few seconds until our system will going down, and go to the server information section inside Vultr, then go to settings, and then go to the custom ISO. Here we should remove our ISO. Before that, I will check that my system went down, and that is mean we click remove ISO, and restart our server. Then we should wait for a few minutes until our system will be fully loaded and ready to use. Now let's connect to the web interface. We will proceed the first authentication to the web interface. For that we should copy this IP address of our MikoPBX station. We can also find it here, and paste it in the browser search field. Now we are on the authentication page, and firstly we should type the default username for the first login, which is admin. And for the password field we should copy the identifier of our virtual machine. You can find it here. It is symbols after ID word. Just copy that and paste to the password field, then click authorize, and now our system is fully ready for normal use. And also we should change the password. Later in the video we will connect two different softphones to our MikoPBX station and also provide some echo test. In today's video I will use two different softphones. The first one is Vultr and the second one is PortSip. Firstly, let's connect our employee with internal number 201 to the Vultr. For that, in the login field we should type the internal number of our employee. For me it is 201. Then the symbol, and after the symbol we should type the MikoPBX address. For me it is this one. And for the password field we should copy the password for SIP. We can do that using this button inside MikoPBX interface. Let's paste it here, then click login, next, skip, next, and by this green indicator inside inside the Vultr interface, and also by this green indicator inside MikoPBX interface, we can understand that our connection was successful. Now let's do the same actions with our second softphone, with the PortSip. And firstly we should type the IP address of our MikoPBX station in this field. It is 121.5.253. Then click next. After that we should type an extension number. For me it is 202, and in the similar way just copy the password, paste it there, and then click sign. Alright, let's wait for a few seconds, and yes, as we can see, here is a green indicator, and the same inside MikoPBX station. Let's try to do a call from one soft phone to another one. Yeah, as we can see, everything works perfectly, and now we are ready for the last part of our video, which is testing our system using internal Delplan application which named EchoTest. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, we should go to the Delplan application section, and here we can find this application and the internal number of it. Let's deal this number from one of our soft phones. For example, I will do that from Vultr. It is 1032.46, and if everything works normal, when we will deal, we can hear our voice. 1, 2, 3, test. Yeah, we can hear and see that everything works perfectly, and that is mean our all installation process was done successfully. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Goodbye.